Hi guys, and welcome back to my tropical garden here in the UK. And today it's early April, and I'm going to take you for a little tour around the garden, show you how things are getting on. It's still very cold, and while you're watching, don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. I've got quite a few videos out there, some of them are quite helpful gardening ones, little tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. And sit back, enjoy this. I'm going to put some music to it, and I'll see you all again next time. Musabaju banana plant is still wrapped up for the winter. Little bit of green showing through the top, so hopefully that's it, showing that it's survived. There's the large Trachycarpus, a small tree fern, Dicksonia antarctica. Here is the very large black bamboo. These are the flowers that are on the peach tree. Beautiful little flowers and beautiful peaches too. Here's a very large tree fern, still got its winter wrappings on. There's our green bamboo and an enormous tree that we've got in the garden. There are the fish. Time for giving them some food. There's a couple of really big carp in there, if you can see them. A desert agave. Covered with a shelter to keep some of the rain off so it doesn't get too wet. And a cordyline palm, or some people call it a Torquay palm. There's one of our apple trees. Got quite a few blossom on it. Plenty of apples. There's our little bluebell wood. They'll be out soon. This tree fern doesn't look very happy at all. I think it might have caught the frost. I keep looking down the centre there to see if there's any new growth, but can't see any just yet. An alpine pot. Mexican agave. This tree fern, I don't think that's going to be any good anymore. New Zealand flax. I love these little woodland plants. Such beautiful little flowers hanging down. Fatsia japonica. Another palm. Check out this area in the field behind our garden. This is where my son and his girlfriend used to grow all their edible produce, their veg. They've moved out, they're still doing videos. Check out their link, I'm sure you'll enjoy their channel. And this is a view of the field from my back garden. See you next time, thanks for watching, please subscribe and bye.